Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to underline text in Adobe Express. To underline a text on Adobe Express is super easy. Open up your Adobe Express application and from the main home page, go ahead and open up a project where you have a text layer. You can also create a new project where you have a text layer or open up a project and add a text layer on it. Right after you import a project or media onto the timeline, go ahead and get to the timeline on this page and click on the blue button at the bottom left and select text option to add a text layer. Now simply go ahead and add your desired text in the text box and make necessary edits such as text style, color of the text spacing and alignments, etc. After you've typed in your desired text and place it on your desired position on the timeline, go ahead and click on this T icon with a little underline in it. Right after you do that, you will be able to underline a text. If you would like to change the color of your underline and your text, simply click on the color button and choose the color from the color palette option. This will not only change the color of your underline but also the color of your text. After you do that, you can now go ahead and also adjust the thickness of your text, fonts of the text, and other options available. And that's how you create underlined text on Adobe Express. You can now go ahead and export your project to your liking. So there you have it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.